Hello, in front of me I've got Jeep Keyfob. In this video I'll show you how to access the battery. To access Keyfob battery, firstly remove manual keyfob. Now prepare tool like this to open the key. Next, you can help yourself with another tool that's thin and sharp to go through the edges. Once it's done, remove this plastic, pull this part of the key upwards, and the battery is here. To assemble it, place firstly this part, then covering plastic, and in the end place the keyfob cover. Press it until it clicks and reinstall manual keyfob. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.